Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Whoever you are. Well, welcome back to whoever you are, first of all. Someone watched my other video, so if you're watching it, hi. Today's video is going to be about doing an eye look for beginners. Something nice brown, gold glitter type eye. Just something very easy, quick. You get done, nothing too complicated. And if you'd like to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do before you begin any eye look is prime and set your lids. So I already done that. I went in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and then I went and set the concealer. You can either use a setting powder, or you can take an eyeshadow that is the same color as your lids and use it to set that as well. If you do not set your primer, it will be very difficult to blend and your eyeshadow may look very, very messy. So you always want to prime the lid and then set it. That way your brush won't get like tugged on the concealer and it'll be easier for you to blend. Okay, so the palette I will be using today is the Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. This is the perfect palette for beginners if you're just getting into it. This was actually the first palette that I ever bought. It retails for $15 or $18, I believe. I'll put you'll see it probably somewhere right here. I'll put the pricing and everything. But this is a perfect palette for beginners, and when you're first getting into it, this is the first palette that I used, and I 100% recommend it. This is a really good palette. So let's get into it. You would go in, well, don't do what I'm doing. This is a dirty brush. You want to go in with a clean brush, and we are going to go into that shade right there. I need a mirror. I don't have a mirror. A mirror would be great. Tap off the excess. Oh boy. And I'm creasing because I'm sweating. Okay, I'm going to take that and blend it in to the crease. And also the goal in eye look, or any eye look, is for you to get that nice gradient. So you want to start out with a lighter shade first. What the heck? What are veins coming out of my eyelid? What the? You don't have to dip in as many times as I am. I'm just doing that because it's a habit. It's super light, and I also want you guys to notice where I have my hand placed on the brush. It's not all the way up here. You have less control that way. That's for more if you're like for precision, if you're trying to do like an eyeliner or detail work or something like that. So you want to have your hand set farther back on the brush, be easier for you to control. And you kind of just want to go back and forth, do some swatches here to see which one I want to go in with next. Right now we're going to go in with this shade right here. Take that off the excess. We're going to go. Now when it comes to darker colors, you don't want to immediately like dig your brush into the colors, because it can be very easy for you to go overboard with that color. So start off using a little bit and then just build it up to your desired look. I really hate how this doesn't have a mirror, because then I have to like switch and do this one over here and put this one down while I get this ready and then pick this one back up. This is okay. Now we're gonna take this gold shade right here. Can you see that? I think you guys can see that. That gold shade right here. And then we're just going to go in with a do have the option of doing eyeliner, of course. Me personally, I don't like to do eyeliner with a lot of my eye looks. It feels like it just ruins it. If you want to, you can. If you don't, cool. Now we're gonna go in with the Colossal Spider Effect mascara from Maybelline. This is one of my favorites. I love this. I forgot to go in with my under eye. So I forgot to do my under eye. So we're gonna take the same shade, the first shade that we used, and we're gonna go in under eye. Next we're gonna take the second shade that we used and do the same thing. And just for fun, I'm gonna contour this with the Morphe 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer palette. And I'm gonna go in with Debutante and Blogger. And for highlighter, we're gonna go in with Beam Pale Gold. I have this thing where I always put on too much highlighter, but even though that sounds like the opposite of a problem. Too much highlighter. Now for the lips, I'm going to do, this is Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. It is in the shade Sessy. This is from the Ellery Colourpop collaboration. This, y'all about to see this sexy red. You're about to see. Oh, this is a sexy red. Sexy red. Ooh. Ooh. I told y'all. I feel like this is a red that anybody can pull off. You can't pull off this red. Down or do. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Sessy. Woo woo. Where's my setting spray? And we're gonna set with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, and this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out a little bit, somebody out there. And yeah, see you guys later.